तो उनको भी अपनाना चाहिए मुसलमानों के इस फॉर्मूले को कि अपने बच्चों को, जवानों को 20-22 साल में शादियां कराओ, लड़कियों को 18-20 साल की उम्र में शादियां कराओ, फिर देखो आपके यहाँ भी कितने बच्चे पैदा होते हैं। लेकिन 2 नंबर ही धंधा मत करो।
AIUDF Supremo and Lok Sabha MP from Assam Badruddin Ajmal landed himself in a soup after his controversial and nasty remarks purportedly targeting the Hindu community. The Assam MP has now issued an apology saying that he had no intention of hurting anyone's sentiments. While apologizing for the statement, Ajmal said, "I had no intentions of hurting the sentiments of any community. I deeply regret my statement. Being a senior leader, I should not have made such statements. I apologize to everyone hurt by my remarks. I am ashamed of these statements. All I want is for the government to do justice to the minorities and give them education and employment." He, however, maintained that his comments were twisted and he had not targeted any community. "I have not targeted any individual nor used the term Hindu. I didn't want to break anyone's heart," he said. "But it became an issue and I'm sorry for it. I'm ashamed of it. It shouldn't have happened with a senior person like me," Ajmal added, while claiming that his comments were twisted. Badruddin's nasty statement triggered protests in several areas of Assam, and FIR was launched in Hailakandi against AIUDF chief and Assam MP after he said that the Hindus should adopt the Muslim formula and get their children married at a young age. Muslim men marry at the age of 20 to 22, while Muslim women marry at 18, as stipulated by the government. However, Hindus have 1, 2 or 3 illegal wives before marriages. They don't give birth to babies in order to save costs, the AIUDF chief said. Mr. Ajmal said they should also follow the Muslims in getting the children married at a younger age, get the boys married at 20-22 and the girls married at 18-20, and then see how many children are born. Ajmal's political detractors were, however, quick to link his remarks to the Gujarat Assembly poll and alleged that the AIUDF chief was towing the BJP line to rescue the right-wing party, which is seeking to retain power in the western state. The TMC burnt his effigy, alleging collusion with the Saffron Party as the reason behind Ajmal's controversial remarks. The BJP, however, distanced himself from Ajmal, whose party sits in the opposition in the state. Both the ruling BJP and the opposition Congress in Assam came out all guns blazing against AIUDF chief Badruddin and lodged an FIR against him.
वहाँ बच्चे होने नहीं देते, उनका खर्चा वो बजाते हैं, मजा उड़ाते हैं। उसके बाद 40 साल के बाद माँ बाप ने मजबूर किया या कहीं फंस गए तो एक शादी कर ली। उसके बाद 40 साल के बाद बच्चा पैदा करने की सलाहियत कहाँ रहती है? तो कैसे उम्मीद रखते हैं कि वहां से इतने बच्चे बढ़ेंगे? तो जो लोग टाइम पे फर्टाइल जमीन के ऊपर आप जब मिट्टी डालोगे और दवा डालोगे तो वहां से तो धान ही धान उगेगा, खेती अच्छी होगी, लहान होगी, तरक्की होगी। तो उनको भी अपनाना चाहिए मुसलमानों के इस फॉर्मूले को कि अपने बच्चों को, जवानों को 20-22 साल में शादियां कराओ, लड़कियों को 18-20 साल की उम्र में शादियां कराओ, फिर देखो आपके यहाँ भी कितने बच्चे पैदा होते हैं। लेकिन 2 नंबर ही धंधा मत करो।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.